So finally, the wait is over for the Poco F7 device regarding the 120 FPS batting on mobile game has been updated finally. And I'm getting so many comments as well just now. I thought of updating the game to show you exact graphic settings like 120 FPS gameplay in the Poco F7 device. So right now I'm trying to update the game. Let me to show you the exact settings. And right now I'm trying to use this real-time FPS meter as well to show you exactly how is the statistics. And finally we got the Ultra XM settings as you can see. And 120 FPS you can get right now. So let's begin the game and let's find out how is overall FPS. And finally, after 1 year of time, literally after like 1 year of time, the Poco F7 got 120 FPS update. So even though the phone has got Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 chipset processor, and finally this update has come 120 FPS. So which a lot of users are actually waiting for this update also. And let's see how is the overall FPS drop test going to be there. So, but definitely I'm going to do like battery draining test very soon. So that will give the clear and complete idea about 120 FPS gameplay. So stay tuned for those videos. And right now, let me to increase the while boost and check whether the 120 FPS will increase or not because it's showing only 90 right now. 87 I'm getting. So right now I did try to select the maximum settings, ultra settings here, click apply. So right now let's do the FPS drop test. So let's do, and this is my first time doing this FPS drop test in the 120 FPS in the Poco F7 device. So after the recent software update, so that's pretty good. And very soon I'm going to upload the video as well regarding the complete battery draining test using the 120 FPS, the 7500 mAh battery, how long you can actually play 120 FPS continuously the gameplay, which I'm going to upload very soon. So stay tuned for that. And right now you can see the lowest we have seen like 107 FPS, 107, 115 FPS. It's maintaining right now. And it's consistently maintaining 115. So after 1 year, we got this update in the Poco F7 device. So yeah, it's a good thing. And the temperature seems kind of increasing slightly higher, 40 degrees. So definitely with this kind of 120 FPS, the temperature is going to increase high after like couple of minutes of gameplay as well. So right now FPS did drop to like 100 FPS just now, little bit. I can see some kind of like frame drops is happening. Right now let's observe the team deathmatch and the FPS. Let me to keep it clear. So right now you should be able to see the FPS how it's kind of maintaining. So frame drops did drop up to like 97 FPS did drop during this time of testing. and the temperature will also increase a little bit high. So it's kind of getting close to like 41 temperature. So tomorrow I'll try to plan to do 1 hour of gaming using the 120 FPS gameplay. You can see the frame drops close to like 100 FPS, 106. So this is overall quick review, guys, about the Poco F7 device with the 120 FPS support. Finally, which has come in the device in the Poco F7. So that's the information which I thought of sharing with you all. So meanwhile, signing off, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates on the Poco F7 device, which I'll try to update you tomorrow, definitely. So until then, signing off, friends, thank you for watching. Bye.